Hi people, good afternoon. Alright, so like the sun, oh my god, the heat in this side of Nigeria is honestly something else. If there is no lights, you can barely sleep. You can honestly barely sleep, because for me like my kind of body, I'll be sweating like, and of course you can't, I'll have to on the generator till maybe around 12 o'clock, you know, then I'll ask the security guy to off the gen. But when the gen is off, oh my goodness, you need to come and see the amount of heat that I would have to sleep on the ground, like on the bare ground. Honestly, the heat in this side is just so much, just too much. Like, it can even make one so dehydrated that you be weak, and you know you have to be drinking water all the time. The heat in this part of Nigeria, the northern part of Nigeria, is just too much. But I know this food, and I know, like when there was Harmattan, couple of months ago, there was Harmattan. The Harmattan too was too much. What the heck? Why is it that if there's anything that is happening here in the northern part, you know, it will just be extra much. So if you're planning to come to Nigeria, and if you're planning to come to Abuja, bear it in mind that, I mean, you're going to experience the heat, except you have to on the generator, or there will be lights like 247, and your AC has to be on. Otherwise, your life will never remain the same. They had to advise us that we shouldn't even eat food that contains much protein, because of, you know, it increases the body metabolic, and with that the heat would, you know, increase internally in your body. Man, I won't lie to you guys, the heat here is just too much. Just too much. I don't know if it's like that in Lagos, but I definitely know that it is not like that in my side, like in the Akwa Ibom side, Akwa Ibom state. I know it's not like that because the weather there is a little bit calm, but the weather here in Abuja is just something else. But I must confess to you guys, like, I'm feeling it really good. As it is now, I have to on the AC. So I'm actually waiting for the hot air to just go out a little, so I can on the AC, and I'm just putting it on now. I mean, this stuff is just too much, man. But anyhow, alright guys, so I just wanted to gist you guys to give you the weather report in Abuja. I hope you do. You do perfectly understand this weather report that I just gave you, because it is honestly something else. But I know we're gonna overcome it like pretty soon. Alright, so I just on my AC. Let me try and adjust it. Okay. Look at me sweating. Alright guys, so how is my makeup? How am I looking? Alright, so I wanted to show you guys my dress, but there was no time for that. But I'm gonna be doing that later though. So having said all of that, I'm gonna be chatting with you guys later. Today is Friday. Basically, there are a lot of people on the road. See them. Look at. We have, I just needed to show you guys, we have the Muslim brothers who are just going to pray. Look at them. They're just so much, pretty much on the road. I mean, it's just something else. But of course, well, one Nigeria, I hope they do understand that. Alright people, so having said all of that, I'm going to be talking to you guys
Good morning, guys. Alright, so basically, it's been like 5 days now. I vlog, or even maybe it's even like up to 1 week. I vlog. This few days has been like a very trying time for me. You know, maybe every father just wants to see my faith and how strong I am. I won't, say I was sick. I wasn't sick. There was just so many things going on, and it's just, since vlogging is just a passion I love doing it. I love showing myself on camera. I love you guys to see me and all of that. So it just went with the mood of the time, and I just couldn't do anything. But for now I'm fine. I have a lot of stuff to tell you guys. Basically, I'm not just gonna tell you guys, I'm just gonna show you guys, so you guys would see, because things has been good though. Things has been very, very okay. But anyway, this season, the last vlog I did, was on this. Now I talked to you guys about the heat, and I complained so much. But it seems when it's evening these days, the heat will be reduced, and the whole place will be so ventilated. And thank God my apartment is upstairs, so the place is usually very, very ventilated, and I don't get to feel the heat, even if they take the light or whatsoever. But yeah, guys, I would have to stand up my feet, and begin my vlog, pull myself together and start doing the things I used to do, and I love doing. Alright, so having said all of that, this is like 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up and I have to stand up. Don't mind me yawning. Okay, so pull myself together, get into the washroom, get into the kitchen, prepare something, and all of that. So I'm gonna be chatting and talking with you most definitely later. I pray Heavenly Father would, give me the strength, because the grace is sufficient, yes, to be able to push on. So later, guys, peace.